Did y'all know that if your tires aren't aligned, they'll wear out faster, quicker than normal, and you have to go get alignment? But I found the problem. Let's fix it. All right, so I got the weight off the spring so the axle will move. That way we can replace that torquey arm thingy right there. So we made it under here. This is our adjustable torque arm. We got to take these two bolts out, insert the new one, and try to align it a little bit. Let's see if we can break these loose. Nah. Oh, goodness. All right, my people. I had to bring out the bad boy, the Matco. Oh, yeah, Daddy. Hey, well now. Daggum mosquitoes are already bad. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, yeah, Poppy. Hiya, 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 hiya. I think we just put that back together. JK. Come on. So we got that side. Let's see if we can spread this one open. Safety third. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ain't that boy good? Man, it's a lot of work. Voila, Daddy. Tighten these bad boys up. So I measured from the axle to the nut or the bolt right here on this side, and it was 40 and 1/8, and this side's 42. So we're gonna have to suck this side in a little bit. What the hell was that? All right, my people, we got the torque arm back in, got it aligned. It's hot, done got sweaty. Probably gonna get them to go by the shop so we can align it right. I just done it with a tape measure. We need to put our stick on it. But anyways, peace, love you. Jesus loves you. Y'all have a good day. It's hump day. Woo-hoo.